What's up, world? It's your boy Mark Clyde. Time to rise and fly.
Morning, everyone. Today we're in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida, visiting the infamous Don CeSar, aka the Pink Palace. This historic hotel opened in 1928 and was considered the playground for America's elite during the Golden Jazz Age. At this time, it attracted such figures as F. Scott Fitzgerald, Franklin D. Roosevelt, and the notorious Al Capone. Also, it was featured as the backdrop of the 1984 film Once Upon a Time in America. This stunning piece of architecture is perched on the south end of St. Petersburg Beach and showcases a blend of both Mediterranean and Moorish styles. After the builder's/owner's death in 1940, the hotel began to fall into disrepair and was converted for several different uses until its rebirth in 1973. Since then, it has undergone multiple renovations and has become a historic monument in the story of St. Petersburg's legacy. Our next stop takes us to Fort DeSoto, a former military base comprised of a series of islands located on the southernmost end of St. Petersburg. Built during the Spanish-American War in 1898, this fort contained batteries of artillery and mortar rounds to protect Tampa Bay from invading forces. As our flight continues, we venture off to the flagship bridge of Florida, the Skyway Bridge. This current Skyway Bridge, opened in 1987, serves as a worthy successor to its predecessor in the past, providing the setting for such films as Lauren Cass and The Punisher. Spanning more than 4 miles, it is among one of the largest bridges in Florida. Next, we drop by Tropicana Field, the home of the Tampa Bay Rays, taking in the skyline of downtown St. Petersburg. Finally, on our way home, we stop by Ben T. Davis Beach. A relaxing waterfront oasis where people can go to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy various activities, both on land and sea. Hope you all enjoyed this tour of St. Petersburg and the Tampa Bay area. I hope you'll join us again. And don't forget, like, subscribe. See you on the next go round. Peace.